What is up, you guys? Making another video here. Thanks for joining me. And today is going to be actually a pretty interesting video, because you see, I'm kind of bringing the two things that I love most, or the things that I'm most passionate about. I don't know how loud that airplane is, but we'll wait for... There he is. We'll wait for him to go by. Today is a day where two of my passions come together: cars, airplanes. The reason I say that is because today I'm actually flying to a Toyota dealership. Yeah, so it's like 4 hours away, and they are the only ones that have a allocation or a slot available for a GR Corolla. I know I've made plenty of videos about my Corolla. Regular Corolla is not a performance version. The GR is the performance version of my car. So I'm flying over to Charleston, West Virginia, in order to go to the Toyota dealership over there to put down my deposit, spec out my car, and yeah, hopefully get that car sometime soon. So coming over here, gonna pull out my airplane, prep it, fly over. It's about a 2-hour flight there, because I'm looking at 30-knot headwinds. About an hour flight back, hopefully, assuming those same headwinds, you know, are the same, and give me a push on the way back home. So I'm looking at about an hour flight home. So yeah, gonna go ahead and prep the plane, pull it out, put my car in the hangar, and we'll be on our way. Whoops. I know it's not like a big deal or anything, but like, it's always the little things in life. For some reason, I just get a big kick out of pulling the airplane out and putting the car in the hangar. It just puts a smile on my face. There's always the little things, you know. Alrighty guys, so we made it. We're here at the Charleston airport, just landed. Gonna go ahead and pick up a crew car. Well, backtrack a little bit. Here a little bit later than I would have liked. It's 6 o'clock right now, 6 p.m. The dealership closes at 8, I believe. I hope, or else that trip would have been for nothing. Still kind of a fun trip, but anyway, gonna go ahead and pick up a crew car. Because I called ahead and asked if it was okay if I used the crew car to go, you know, do this business, and they said, yeah, sure, it's fine. So, yeah, gonna go ahead and pick up the keys and head to the dealership. We got the key, and looks like we got hooked up with a Ford Sport, I think it is, an EcoSport. I don't know, this definitely looks like a soccer mom car. But hey, it's free. I was gonna Uber, but it's free. Thank you, Capital Jet Center, appreciate it. Well, I just hit the lock button. There we go. We are here. Don't know how they feel about camera, so I'm gonna leave you guys in here for now, but gonna go in and go ahead and try to, you know, get an allocation for the vehicle. Update you guys when I get back. All right, guys, so quick update. So I was able to get an allocation, don't know if you guys can see that, for a Corolla Core model, or GR, and there goes my phone. So a GR Corolla Core Edition, was able to get an allocation for that, and was able to put in for a Circuit Edition as well. So they didn't take a deposit or anything, so I guess it's not an allocation, it's more like a wait list, I suppose, because they don't have any more coming in, at least for now. They don't have one coming in that they can basically put my name on and mark as sold, right? So I gave them my information, the specs that I wanted, but they did tell me they can't order it exactly the way I want it. The way it works is Toyota basically just sends them whatever they get, and they're gonna match up what I want versus what they get and say, hey, this is the closest one, do you want it? So yeah, that's what's gonna happen. Pretty excited. Stopped over at Sheetz to get some food and gonna hit the air and go home. So catch you guys back over there. Guys, so we landed back here in Winchester. It only took an hour to get back, so yeah, winds aloft definitely affect your flight. So 2 hours to get there, 1 hour back, so still 1 whole hour shorter, actually an hour and a half shorter than what it would have taken one-way driving. Love flying any chance I get. So right now you probably can't even see that, I'm at the gas pump. Need to put gas in the plane. Stick around for a little while longer and see how much it costs. Hopefully it's not, oh, price per gallon. I thought someone paid $500, whoops. So stick around to see how much it costs to fill up an airplane. It shouldn't be fill up. We're running slightly below half tanks. So yeah, stick around, find out. So I guess a quick walkthrough in case no one really knows how to fill up a GA airplane, a general aviation airplane. So we have a pump like this. There's a lot of pumps like this at almost every single airport that has 100 low lead gas for piston aircraft just like this. So the way you fill it up, pretty simple. Come here, swipe your card. It's gonna recognize my card because I use one single card for avgas when I put gas in the plane. I select how much fuel I want, either in gallons or in a dollar amount. Then it goes through, hopefully it doesn't decline. Come over here, I'll flip this over to on, grab the grounding cable right here, hook it to any bare piece of metal on the airplane to ground the airplane, and then I'll go ahead and walk this out and manually fill up the plane. It doesn't have that automatic stopper like most, I think every single car pump does, where you pull it up, you fill it, put the fuel pump in, squeeze the trigger, it holds itself, and then it clicks once it fills up. No, here you have to visually look at the fuel to make sure you don't overflow it. So as you can see here, I actually used a different credit card. The credit card I normally use, I don't have that on me. So it's gonna ask for a tail number. So I'm gonna select new tail number. This is the biggest pain in the butt right here. This is not touchscreen. So I have to use these keypads right here, these arrows, to go through this little wheel, put in the tail number. But fortunately enough, there's only one letter in my tail number, and that's the first letter. That's November. The rest I could put into the keypad here. So 20985, cool, accept. And then it asks me enter gallon amount or enter dollar amount. So gallon amount, or third option, fill up. So I'll go ahead and click that. Do I want a receipt? Yes, I do. And then confirm the information here. Right now it's $5.96 a gallon. Confirm. Huh, that's a plus, didn't decline. So come here, first things first, I'm gonna ground the airplane, grab this. So, bare piece of metal, exhaust pipe, that always works out. Then I'm gonna come here to the right fuel cap, take that off, and now I have to shine a light in there, hence why I have my little forehead lamp on my neck, so that way I can visually look at the fuel filling up, because like I said, it's not going to automatically stop. I can overflow this thing. So now that I'm grounded, have the grounding wire attached to the plane, get this thing, flip that over, it's on, Now I'm gonna grab this and take it to the plane to fill up. All right, take the protective cap off, turn on my little flashlight. Perfect. And now, you gotta love leaded fuel. Just take a big old whiff of it. It's good for you. I'm kidding, don't do that. It's really not good for you. I'm surprised we still use leaded gasoline in, like, at all. But, okay, there we go. You can see the fuel level right there. So yeah, I'm just keeping an eye on the fuel as I fill it up so that I don't overflow the tanks. So this is the left wing. That's filled up. Now I have to go fill up the tank in the right wing. Okay, I'm watching that clock go up, and yeah, avgas is not cheap. Not cheap at all. They can hurry up with the electric airplane, that'd be nice. Just leave it in the hangar, plug it in. That'd be cool. All right, done here. Now I'll show you how we put it back. Pretty straightforward, actually. So we're gonna drop this here. And instead of spinning this thing around manually, there's actually this little black button right here that reels it in. I just keep my foot on it to try to make it even. And there we go. Put this thing back on. Flip this to off. And now, comment down below how much do you think it was to fill up the airplane. I put 27.76 gallons in there. So $5.90 or $5.69 per gallon. 27.76 and $157.95. I guess not bad for a round trip, you know. So still kind of pricey, but let me grab this. Need that. And also put this thing back. And then put this thing back in the hangar, and that's it. I'm wrapping it up right here. So again, thanks for joining me. Really appreciate it. You know, YouTube things, like, subscribe. Let me know if you like content like this. If you want to see more stuff with the airplane, this is only like the second video I've ever made. That's either a jet or someone's speeding down the highway. I don't know if you guys can hear that. But anyway, let me know if you guys like this content. Like, subscribe, comment down below. Yeah. Have a good night.